Center not working. Error 0x803F8001 AWCC is currently not available in your account. This issue is almost always caused by broken Microsoft Store services, corrupted AWCC components, or missing Alienware background services. Main fix works for most Alienware users. Step 1. Fully remove Alienware Command Center. Very important. Normal uninstall is not enough. ##A uninstall from Windows. 1. Press Win-R, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. 2. Uninstall all of these if present. Alienware Command Center, Alienware OC Controls, Alienware Sound Center, Alienware Gaming Peripheral, Alienware Command Center Package Manager, Alienware Command Center SDK Restart PC. B. Delete leftover files. Delete these folders if they exist. You can see the code in our conversation history, empty recycle bin, restart PC again. Step 2. Fix Microsoft Store, error 0x803A01 root cause. Press Win-R, type, you can see the code in our conversation history, wait for Microsoft Store to reopen. Then open PowerShell as administrator and paste, you can see the code in our conversation history, restart PC. Step 3. Install correct AWCC version, model-based. Do not install randomly from Store first. 1. Go to Dell official support site. 2. Enter your Alienware service tag model. 3. Download Alienware Command Center, Alienware OC Controls, AWCC component packages. Install in this order. 1. Alienware Command Center. 2. Alienware OC Controls. 3. Other Alienware components. Restart PC. Step 4. Make sure Alienware services are running. Press Win-R, type. You can see the code in our conversation history. Find and set these to automatic plus running. Alienware Command Center service, Alienware Client Management service, AWCC service, Dell Data Vault service, restart PC. Step 5. Repair system files, prevents AWCC breaking again. Open Command Prompt Admin and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. After it finishes, you can see the code in our conversation history, restart PC. Step 6. If still not working, fix app access error. Open PowerShell admin and run. You can see the code in our conversation history. Restart, reinstall AWCC again from Dell. Extra important checks. Windows fully updated. Microsoft Store opens and signs in by updated from Dell site. Do not block Alienware services, AWCC installed on C drive. Avoid modded Windows versions.